Minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 12th class subject botany, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Dear students, today on 26th of July 2021, our topic is genetic terms and explanation. Now, regarding the genetic terms and explanation, we will take these terms one by one and we will define them and try to our best to make you understand what are these genetic terms. So, first term we will take the gene. What is this gene? This gene is a linear segment of DNA. DNA's full form is deoxyribose nucleic acid. Now, regarding this gene, it is a linear segment of DNA located on a fixed position called locus. So, on the DNA where the gene is found or where its position is fixed, that position is called the locus. So, what is the definition of this gene? It is a linear segment of DNA located on a fixed position called locus. A gene controls the expression of a character in an individual in cooperation with its allele. A gene controls the expression of a character in an individual in cooperation with its allele. Gene is a unit of inheritance. Gene is a unit of inheritance which is carried from the parents by a gamete in a chromosome. Gene is a unit of inheritance which is carried from the parent by a gamete in a chromosome. So this was about the gene and its explanation. Now, the second genetic term is the allelomorphic genes. So what are these allelomorphic genes? A pair of genes located on homologous chromosomes and controls a contrasting trait is called allelomorphic genes or alleles. So how you can define this allelomorphic genes? It is simple that the allelomorphic genes are defined as a pair of genes located on homologous chromosomes which control a contrasting trait. Now the third genetic term is the dominant and recessive alleles. What are the dominant alleles and what are the recessive alleles? When two allelomorphic genes representing the alternative character come together in an individual, usually one allele expresses its character known as dominant allele, while as other is not expressed at all, known as recessive allele. So you should remember here that when two allelomorphic genes representing the allele, alternative character come together in an individual, usually one allele expresses its character, which is called the dominant allele, while which does not express its character at all is known as recessive allele. An individual in which both the alleles are identical is called homozygous. An individual in which both the alleles are identical, that is same, is called homozygous and is genetically pure. While as an individual in whom both dominant and recessive alleles are present in homologous chromosomes is called heterozygous and is genetically hybrid. So this is about the homozygous and heterozygous condition. An individual in which both the alleles are identical is called homozygous, while as and it is genetically pure, while as an individual in whom both dominant and recessive alleles are present in homologous chromosomes is called heterozygous and is genetically hybrid. So dear students, these were the genetic terms which we have defined, and I hope that you have understood these genetic terms, and you will try to your best at your homes also. So because in the whole the genetics, these terms are used. So far what we have discussed in this second unit genetics, these terms come across in our each and every question: gene, allelomorphic genes, dominant and recessive alleles. So you should be aware about these genetic terms so that you can grasp the things very well. And now in our in this today we have completed our this topic, genetic terms and explanation, and we have discussed three terms: gene, allelomorphic genes, and dominant and recessive alleles. Now in our next lecture tomorrow, inshallah, we will see the other genetic terms, and we will try to define and explain those genetic terms. So until tomorrow, thank you very much. Be safe at your homes. Thank you very much once again.